everyone!
Today, we'll be giving this tour on a huge hotel.
Yes, it has 5 rooms, 1 elevator, 1 shop, and we'll be adding more shops, and 2 other rooms. Let's take a look at this first one. Here's the first room that we've built in this hotel. We have a couch, which I made a tutorial on.
We'll add that in the description.
Yeah. And we have a purple table. The wall design is really nice over here. Let's move on to the next room. Right over here, we've got a room where the customers can get their rooms or buy their rooms over here. The customers can sit in the green chairs, and sliding up here, the workers can sit in the pink chairs. Let's go on over here to the elevator. Here we have a nice little elevator over here. It has a translucent blue door and a black doorknob. Let's see inside. Inside of this elevator, we have some white studs where the characters can stand on. Moving up, we have some nice, colorful, translucent studs where the characters can look through or see.
There's nothing
They
interesting.
not exactly look through, but
There's nothing really interesting in the back of the elevator.
yeah. Let's take a look on how this elevator works. Okay, so let's start with taking out this elevator. Let's explain how it works. We have this slider over here. You can push it in, push it out. So if we push it in, then we probably want to go to this 3rd floor up here. So we can just stick it on just like this. And then we can open the door, let the characters out, and then let him fly over here. So, and then if we want to go to the 2nd floor, we're going to push this slider in like this. And then we put the elevator back, and then we can stick it on like that, and then they can fly over here. So now that we've done that, let's take a look at the shops. We can move on over here. Here we've got a mini restaurant. Right here, someone's eating some sort of cereal or cookies.
Sugar Pops, I think. I don't know.
Yeah, maybe.
Sugar cookies.
Yeah. And then we've got a seat over here. And we've got a chocolate cake.
It spins.
Yeah. It's from the
Baking competition.
Yeah. And then over here, we've got a drink dispenser. Over here, we have a chef. Looks like they're making some pizza. Well, they have some cupcakes ready over here. Wait, let me turn down the brightness. Okay, so they have some cupcakes right there. And a pizza. Over here, there's some fish, a banana, an apple, a strawberry, and an egg. Over here we have a sink. Moving on over here, we have some pots and pans, or 1 pot and 1 pan. The blender is from the water park. And over here, we have a nice little chef. She's holding
A rolling pin.
Yeah. Let's take a look at what is inside these drawers. We have some spoons and scissors in here. Here. Okay, here are the scissors. We've got 2 pairs. I'm not sure if you could have seen the other. And 2 spoons. So we put this back right over here. Put the pizza back.
And now my favorite part. The 3 rooms.
The 3 rooms are on the top.
We might need to make part 2 of this.
Yeah. Even though we're 5 minutes in, we have 5 minutes left. So let's take a look at this one. We can see a piano over here.
We made a tutorial on the piano.
Yes, so you can always check that out. We also have a lamp, which we also made a tutorial on.
Should we add all these tutorials in the description?
That's way too many tutorials.
Still. We said that we'd add one, so why not another and another?
Okay, over here we have a small little dining table.
A sandwich or enchilada is on that dining table.
And then over here we have a bed, which I also made a tutorial of. Okay. Over here we have a bed. Someone's been reading spooky stories.
And then
We have a room service telephone and
a balcony.
yeah.
Next
Let's
room.
go on to this next one. Over here, we have a nice little room. Has a bed. This blue bed also doubles as a couch, so that's great. We also have another symmetrical balcony, except for this flower. And over here,
We have a dining table with a few chairs,
and then right next to that, we have another bed.
which is pretty nice.
Yeah. Let's move on to one of my favorites, the rainbow room. Over here. We have this rainbow room. It includes a TV. This is a VIP room. We have a bed and
A guitar somewhere
right here.
laying around. Whoever is in this room must be messy.
So maybe they could have their guitar here. Okay. So here we have a guitar. We have some brochures over here. Why is this so bright? Okay, we have a brochure and a map. This is actually news and then a map. So maybe it's a map of the hotel.
Also, if you saw that green thing, that's a reclining chair. I think we also made a tutorial on that, but now it's completely green.
Yeah. So after that,
Let's move on to the blue base plate. We had to extend the room.
yeah, we also have a nice little dining table on that gray one. Now let's go on to the blue one. The blue one's kind of like a family room. So they can all sit down and enjoy some TV or maybe get a drink from that center table. Now let's move one step up. So let's,
Or how about let's get to the brown room?
or actually, yeah, good idea. So on this brown room, we have a bed, some basic stuff. This is actually a regular person room, not a VIP room, but right here we have a dishwasher. We also, this room also includes a dining table as well. It also has a bed. I like this bed too. It's very simple. Air conditioning, like the rainbow room.
We might have not put the view on that.
Yeah. And then we have a balcony over here, which is one of my favorite balconies that I've made.
And then time to go up to the white room.
We also have some flowers over here. And yeah, correct. Let's go on to the white room. This is kind of crooked because the resort is really, really heavy.
And it's pretty big too.
Yeah. Let me just fix whatever fell. Okay.
Is here a good view?
Yeah, here. So here we have a bed. This is a VIP room, by the way. So right here we have, let's zoom in. We have a pet cage. Wow, look at all those pets. The bunny's upside down, the bird's upside down, the pink bird's on its side. Wow. And then we have a hamster who probably escaped. And then over here we have a drawer of cupcakes and a donut, which is probably a breakfast tray. And then we have a sink, some, I don't know what that white stuff is, some cupcake. And then we have another cupcake. We'll do a part 2 on this. Let's just give you a vivid image of our room. And we'll make a part 2. We'll send the link in the description. So, bye. See you in part 2.
Be sure to subscribe and like.
Bye.